Hi there, this is Dr. Chakir Ahmed. I'm reaching out to you because you were considering an aesthetic treatment but you find yourself hesitating. Perhaps you're unsure about taking that first step towards enhancing your appearance. We understand that making decisions can be a bit daunting and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So whether you're considering injectables, laser treatment, surgical procedures, we offer a comprehensive range of services tailored to meet your unique requirements and provide you with outcomes that are aligned to your desires. Our team comprises of seasoned professionals with years of experience in the fields of aesthetic medicine. Our certified doctors, dermatologists, plastic surgeons, our skilled nurses, our estheticians, each member is dedicated to providing you with expertise and the highest level of care possible as part of our multidisciplinary team. Our clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and modern facilities, but what truly sets us apart is our commitment to patient satisfaction. We understand that each individual is unique and we take the time to listen to your concerns, answer your questions and develop a personalised, bespoke treatment programme. Our dedication to excellence extends beyond our years of experience. We actively participate in ongoing education and training, staying abreast of the latest advancements in aesthetic medicine and making sure that you are at the receiving edge of the most cutting edge and innovative treatments. So if you've been contemplating an aesthetic treatment but yet haven't made up your mind, take that first step with confidence. We are here to hold your hand every step of the way to ensure that you embark on this journey from conscious to confident. We look forward to seeing you, to meeting you, and to being able to help you. Thank you very much, Dr. Ahmed.